Safe and secure parallel execution in a private development cloud is a very complex task to manage, but an extremely critical feature for the successful adoption of your private cloud infrastructure. Think about it for a moment. The amount of software included in your products and the number of platforms, versions, configurations, and any other type of variants that you need to support just keeps growing and growing. With that increase, the time it takes to spin around all your builds, tests, analysis, and what have you in your development workflow will severely affect your productivity and time to market needs. Electric Cloud provides the technology you need to overcome this problem. From the most low-level file operations to complete workflows in itself, our technology masters how to control and manage distribution and parallelization across your computing resources and users like no one else. With our Build and Compute Acceleration Engine, Electric Accelerator, our customers realize up to 20x in build speed acceleration. Just as an example, bringing an hour-long build down to a matter of a few minutes. Obviously, this can have dramatic effects on how software and products are developed and produced, enabling agile methodologies such as continuous integration and test-driven development. How do we actually do this? By carefully monitoring all the low-level file operations as well as registry and environment updates, Electric Accelerator will at any given time know what parts in a build or computation can be parallelized and what parts are dependent and need to be serialized. Add an extremely scalable and efficient distribution mechanism for provisioning parallel work to your private cloud infrastructure, and you have a critical piece in place to really change the daily lives of your engineers using the services of your private development cloud. Not all the work in your software development workflows are builds or computations. We realize that. And not at any given time is there a single serial process consuming all the resources and services in the private development cloud. It's also very common that resources have to be shared across functions, such as build servers, test simulators, various databases, and so on. Finally, context switches happen all the time, as your engineers need to work on multiple tasks and problems simultaneously. To manage this, parallelization and distribution of your processes, work items, and resources must be available on a higher level as well, on individual steps, states, transitions, and sub-workflows in your overall software development lifecycle. With our workflow and process automation engine, Electric Commander, you have unlimited flexibility within single clicks to distribute and parallelize any type of process, computation, or workflow across users, roles, and resources, while automatically load balancing on any dimension. The combination of Electric Accelerator for build and computation speed with Electric Commander for workflow and process management makes for an extremely powerful foundation for all your parallelization and distribution requirements within your private development cloud.